Let's face it, navigating the world of investing can feel overwhelming. You've done your research, chosen a platform like Wealthsimple, and now you're itching to put your strategy into action. But there's one crucial step before you can buy those first stocks or ETFs: funding your account. Wealthsimple offers a few different ways to deposit money, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into one specific option: wire transfers. Wire transfers might sound a bit old school, but they can be a secure way to move larger sums of cash. The question is it the right option for you with Wealthsimple? Breaking down wire transfers, a blast from the investing past? Wire transfers have been around for decades, essentially electronically sending money from one financial institution to another. They're known for their speed and security, making them ideal for high-value transactions. However, they can also come with some drawbacks, like fees and processing times. Wealthsimple and wire transfers, a match made in investment heaven, or not? So, getting back to our original question, does Wealthsimple accept wire transfers? The answer is yes, but with a few important caveats. First up, Wealthsimple only accepts wire transfers in Canadian dollars, CAD. This means if your funds are sitting in another currency, you'll need to convert them before you can send them over. Second, wire transfers are strictly for funding your CAD accounts. If you're looking to add funds to a cryptocurrency account, you'll need to explore other options like Interac e-transfer. Here's where things get interesting. While wire transfers are an option, Wealthsimple promotes other methods as being faster and potentially cheaper. For instance, linking your bank account allows for instant deposits, and Interac e-transfer is another speedy option. Both these choices come without the potential fees associated with wire transfers. Fees and processing times, counting the costs of convenience. Now, let's talk about the not-so-fun stuff: fees. Wealthsimple itself charges a $17 fee to receive each wire transfer. On top of that, your bank or the sending financial institution might tack on additional fees. When it comes to processing times, wire transfers typically take 10 business days to clear. This might not be an issue if you're planning a long-term investment strategy, but if you're looking to jump on a hot opportunity, the wait time could be a drawback. So, should you use wire transfers with Wealthsimple? Ultimately, the decision of whether to use a wire transfer depends on your specific situation. Here are some factors to consider. Transaction size: if you're moving a large sum of money, the security and speed of a wire transfer might outweigh the fees. Alternatives available: Wealthsimple offers faster and potentially cheaper options for funding your account. Consider these first, especially for smaller deposits. Urgency: wire transfers take time to process. If you need to get your money into the market quickly, explore the faster deposit options. Beyond wire transfers, exploring your Wealthsimple funding options. We've focused on wire transfers, but Wealthsimple offers a variety of ways to fund your account. Linked bank account: this is the most popular option, allowing for instant deposits. Interac e-transfer, another fast and convenient method for transferring funds electronically. Linked debit card: while not ideal for large deposits, you can use a linked debit card for smaller, on-the-go transfers. Transferring investments: if you already have investment accounts elsewhere, you can transfer them to Wealthsimple. This process typically takes a few weeks. The takeaway: choosing the right Wealthsimple funding option. When it comes to funding your Wealthsimple account, the best option depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors like transaction size, urgency, and fees before making your decision. While wire transfers are a secure way to move larger sums, the faster and potentially cheaper options offered by Wealthsimple might be a better fit for many investors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.